Hello Orchestra, we are on page 24 titled Skills Demonstration Concert. This page and the next page 24 are meant to be songs that you could perform with your school at an orchestra, at a winter program. Normally this is the Christmas concert time of the year. Page 24 takes us on a journey through our learning of our instrument. We tell the audience that when we first began, we played open strings, we played pizzicato, and we sang our notes. And so there's a simple song on page 24 that we play pizzicato and sing for the audience. And then as we go down the page, each song is a little bit more complicated, a little bit more advanced, showing our audience that we have learned more and more gradually throughout the fall and into the winter. So you will see that the songs get more and more challenging as we go down the page. You probably do not need me to play line 114 for you, but I'm going to do it anyway. And I'm going to just demonstrate the notes and singing. You should be doing the same thing with me. All right, so let's put the instrument up in shoulder position. Okay, and P-I-Z-Z means what? Pizzicato. So we are going to pluck the note and sing. Here's the note D. So we want to make sure we're singing nice and loud for our audience, and we're playing and singing at the same time. Okay, everyone's looking good. Okay, we're anchoring our thumb right here next to the fingerboard and plucking with our first finger violins and violas. 1, 2, ready, sing. D, 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 2, D, 4, A, 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 2, A, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, A, 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 2, 3, 4, D, 2, D, D, and then we'll relax. There is a video that you can click on that shows the entire concert, which is it's a great video to watch if you have the IPS app on your laptop or on your whatever machine, and you're using it like I am. Click on that video that is provided by Kjos, and you'll actually get to see an orchestra concert playing these songs, just like you are playing them now. Line 115, Plucking, Twinkle, Twinkle, Duet. Okay, normally in my school, we assign the A part to the violins and violas and the B part to the cellos and basses. And then sometimes when we repeat the song, we have the two groups switch parts. That's a fun way of performing the song. But again, we're still staying pizzicato, plucking the string. I'm going to play line A with you first, so everyone join me on line A. So our left hand is out here, okay, where it belongs. We're still plucking the note, but for the concert, we won't be singing the notes. So I'm not going to sing them right now. I'm just going to pluck them. Line A, rest, 2, 3, 4. Next line. Repeat. Line B. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Next line. Last note is D, I think. Yep, line D. Sorry I didn't warn you that I was going to switch lines on the repeat. Let's move on though. Okay, bowing open strings. Here's where we pick up our bow. And we play for the audience. Open strings. We're just bowing big full sounds on the open strings. I will tell you that the part of the song that often orchestra kids have a little bit of trouble with are the long notes. So when we get to the whole note right here on the second line and the whole note here, oftentimes we make a mistake by not playing all 4 beats with the bow. We might go D, 2, 3, and then start A before we're done with our 3/4 counting. So make sure you don't do that. You are counting in time with the pulse. All right, you ready to try this? Rest, 2, 3, 4. 4, A, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Next line. Here's those whole notes. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And that is half of the concert right there. I'll make another video for the next page. This video is going to be nice and short. All right, practice that and get really good at it so when you do perform it, you can do it flawless with no mistakes, okay? Good job.